order to enjoy a cup of sweet, fragrant, fresh jasmine tea, it must be brewed correctly. This is the tea maker's tutorial on how to brew the perfect jasmine green tea.
You'll need tea leaves, an infuser or teapot and a kettle. For added precision, you may also want a timer, a set of scales, a tea dish and a teaspoon. Start by measuring out 2 to 3 grams of jasmine green tea leaves. Add the leaves to your infuser or teapot. Here I'm using the infuser mug. Jasmine green tea is very delicate, so it's important not to use water that's too hot as it can burn the leaves. Water at 80 degrees Celsius is ideal to helping it preserve its floral aroma and gentle sweetness. Allow the leaves to steep for 2 to 3 minutes. For a lighter, more floral cup, steep for 2 minutes. If you prefer a deeper flavour, close to 3 minutes will bring out a richer, nutty and grassy note. Our jasmine tea hails from Fujian, China, a region renowned for producing some of the finest jasmine tea. Rather than being flavoured, these tea leaves are traditionally scented with fresh jasmine blossoms, allowing them to gently absorb their delicate floral aroma.
As well as being delicious, jasmine green tea is known for its health benefits. It's full of antioxidants, and due to its delicate floral aroma, it's known widely for its calming qualities.